This is a DIY indexer for the native Propel kayak. Might not be the prettiest thing in the world, but it was free and it really effective. So the biggest problem you guys that have the native, you know, when you approach the shoreline or you start bumping bottom, you're in a hurry to pull this cover off, then line your prop up, then lift it up. And by that time, you've already scraped the hell out of your bottom. So this setup, what I do is I do not bungee this down. This cover that they give you, I just leave it on there and it works just fine while I'm pedaling. I haven't had a problem with that. Right now, this indexer is up and it's just a coat hanger. So right now I can freewheel, I'm pedaling. Now let's say that I feel bottom or I'm approaching the shoreline. All I got to do is push down on this, and what it's doing, it goes down towards the prop. And right now, the prop is caught in the right position. Now all I got to do is grab the handle and pull, and the whole thing comes out. And now you can see how it works. What I'll do is I'll put it like this. So if I want to take my cover off, all I got to do is undo the bungee, push down on this so it goes all the way down, and this pops right off. So I still can lay it down and then put the cover back on. And this is just a piece of 1/2-inch PVC. There's a hole drilled right there. I don't know what you call this thing, but that's how it's made. Just like a 1/2 T. I just zip tied it to this, kind of using what I had. Then I drilled 2 holes through the cover plate, put the coat hanger in there after bending it. Then down below, right here, I just twisted them together, and I wrapped tape on there because there was a couple of sharp edges from where I cut. And I filed down a little bit, and then I put some tape there, and it blocks, as you can see, it blocks the prop better anyway. Provides a little bit of a cushion. So you can see how that prop is lining up when that hits. Now I can put it in easier too, because now I know it's lined up. So that's in place. Put the cover on. Okay, make sure I get my bungee set up. That's just a safety that I have. Okay, now I can pull this up, and even though it'll stay on its own, I just hook it and I'm okay to go. So I'll do it one more time. I'm pedaling. I need to lift this in a hurry. Push down on that. I'm locked already. Pull up, and I'm good. That's it.